Good morning, everybody. This is Nubs Hunt's Treasure with two penny boxes. I did crack them open. They are both circulated. I did not see any enders in this box, but I didn't flip them. But in the other box, we for sure got one ender. That one right there. 1956, I do believe. I think it's that one. Yeah, that one. We got another one over here that looks pretty old, but I can't tell the date on it. So it's scraping it up or scratching it or anything. So we'll start maybe with roll number 1 and bring in on the first find. Roll number 5 of the box, we're going to get our first Wheatie. And it's a 1951 Denver. First Wheatie of the box. Alright, roll number 11. We got this guy right here. Looks pretty worn. Might be an oldie. Stalks look pretty smooth. Let's check it out. Nope, just a 1942 out of Philly. Roll number 12, looks like we got another Wheatie. Right there. See what year we got. Looks like a 1945 out of Philadelphia. Looks like roll 15 is going to give us the first Canadian of the box, first foreign. See what year we got. 1981. Looks like roll 22 is going to give us Wheatie number 4 of the hunt. A little bit of a soul box, but not too bad. Looking pretty slick again. Maybe we actually got an oldie this time. Holy cow, we do. That's a 19. Let me see if I can get a better picture of that. That's a 1913, I believe. There we go. 1913 out of Philly. Definitely the oldest out of the box. Sweetness. Roll number 27 is going to give us Wheatie number 5. Looks like a newer one. Let's see what we got. Looks like a 45 Denver to me. Roll 29 is going to give us Wheatie number 6. It's a 1950 Denver. Oops. Alright, everybody, we got to our roll 34. It's our 1956 ender here. I figured I'd crack it open live for you. We'll take a look at this ender. Exactly like we thought it was. 1956. Same roll as the 1956 ender. Makes this our first double Wheatie roll. We got a 1952 Denver. Right there. Wheatie number 8 of the box. Roll number 38, we're going to get foreign number 2. Also, Canadian number 2. Looks like a new one. What do we got here? 1984. We got our first miscellaneous of the hunt. We got a Texas counter stamp on this 1980D. Who's from Texas stamping my pennies? Right behind the counter stamp. I missed it. But we got another Wheatie. Let's see what we got here. 1956, I think. Yep, 1956 Denver. Roll number 48. We're going to get double digits. We got Wheatie number 10 right here. What do we got? 55 Denver. 10 Wheaties in the box. Can we get to 11 or 12? Alright everybody, box 1 is done. As far as the foreigns go, we got the 2 Canadians, and then we got the 5 2009s, the 1 Texas counter stamp. We got 9 Wheaties from the 40s and 50s, 1 awesome 1913 Wheatie. That is awesome. And we did get 5 AU type cents, wheat or copper cents. So pretty good box overall. A little above average. Well, let's get into box number 2 now. First wheat penny of box 2. It's a 57 Denver with a little luster on it yet. She's a little shiny. 57 Denver. First wheatie of the box. I'm not sure if the camera is going to do this guy justice. I don't know what happened to it. It's a 1980 Denver. But it's got some kind of weird toning on it. This side too. Kind of cool. Something different. Wheatie number 2 in this box. Right here. $19.44 out of Philly. Roll 7, we got 4 in number 1. It's a Canadian. 1978. Roll number 10. Wheatie number 3 of the box already. We got a 1945 Philly right here. Third Wheatie of the box. Roll 11. 4 in number 2. Canadian number 2. 1996, I think. It's pretty beat up. I think it's 96. Roll 14. We got Wheatie number 4. 1958 Denver. Last year Wheatie. Roll number 19. Looks like we got Wheatie number 4. Got a little bit of luster on it too. Let's see what we got for a date. Not wanting to focus for me. There we go. 1950 Denver. Another oldie here. What's this one? Oh, that's just a 1960. Roll 21. Looks like we got 4 and number 3. I could see it from the edge, so I figured I'd show you guys too. Another Canadian. 1984. Roll 31. We got Canadian number 4. 1998. Roll 34. We got Wheatie number 6. Looks like it's a 46 Denver. A little chunk out of the bottom there. But Wheatie number 6 nonetheless. Roll 35. We got the second oldest Wheatie of the box. It's a 1926. You can see it right there. Not too bad a shape. See what the reverse looks like. Oh yeah, you can even see a few lines in the wheat stalks. Not too many though. That's a good find. 1 Wheatie in the teens, 1 Wheatie in the 20s. Looks like we got Canadian number 5 right here. And the 5th one's going to be a 1987. Scratch that. 1957. young head. We also got the 8th Wheatie of the box right here. 1948 Denver, right there. 8th Wheatie of the box. Oh my gosh, right behind that one, I missed this one too. We got a 53 Philly. That's Wheatie number 9. 2-in-1 roll. We're going to get to double-digit Wheaties on this box too. Roll 47. We got Wheatie number 10 of this box. See what we got. Looks like just a 57 Denver to me. Alright everybody, box 2 is done. It's hunted. Let's see what we got. So first off, we did get 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 Wheaties in the 40s and 50s. Nothing special in there. But we did get this beautiful 1926 Wheatie, which is the second oldest of the hunt. That even a little Lester on the reverse. 1926. Couple of 09s, nothing special there. 5 foreigns, 5 Canadians, and then some more AU type copper cents. I usually just tube those up, save them in case anybody's looking for album fillers or when I start a new album, things like that. So for the total of the box, we got 20 Wheaties, right on average, but better than average. We got that 1913 in the first box, and the 26 in the second box. Those are awesome finds in any penny box. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this big penny hunt, 2-box penny hunt. We found some Wheaties, we found some foreigns, we found some beautiful copper cents. Thanks for watching.